and today I have some really exciting news to share with you. The Husqvarna Viking Designer Epic 2 is here, and it is in the modern mint color that I pre-ordered back in July. The three features I am most excited to share with you about this machine are the ribbon embroidery attachment, so excited for decorating with this, the laser guide on the sewing machine, what? So excited to share that one with you, and the programmable foot pedal. So I'm gonna go through all these and open up the boxes. Let me know what you think about them and leave it down in the comments below. Also, I'm gonna be doing in-depth videos on all of these features coming up soon. So make sure you check back to check those out as well. Okay, are you guys ready? I am so ready to open up this box and see this beautiful machine. So let's do it. This box is so big. The cat is gonna be so excited after. So the first thing is a nice cover that goes on the machine. Open it up. So it has all these pockets in it that you can put all your accessories in. And then it has little magnets on it so it stays nice and shut. So cool. Okay, getting into the fun stuff. Warranties, user manuals, cords, we need that, very important. Gotta plug it in. Okay, our accessory pack. This is our foot control that comes with it, but we also have that super fancy programmable one. So we're definitely gonna be using that one. But this is awesome too. Okay, are you ready? Oh, just some styrofoam. Okay, ready? Here it is. We are going to unpackage this beautiful machine. Okay, now the hard part is gonna be if I can lift it. Let me scoot this box back. Okay. He-Man, or should I say She-Ra, here we go. Oh my goodness. Okay, plastic. I need a break after that. Amazing. Oh my God, look at the bottom. It even like glitters. Are you kidding me? Holy cow. That is amazing. It is so cool. So you guys gotta check out all of the modern mint buttons. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. The glitter, I can't get over the glitter. And if you come to the side over here, there's a lot of green over here as well. And all these tape pieces you can just take off. That's just for packaging. Okay, so the machine is gonna come with this funky stuff here. What is that, right? So this packet is just for moisture. So you can take that off, throw it out, throw that over there. Now, this big red piece is to keep all of this in place when it's traveling for shipping. So we're gonna read the directions on how to remove this properly because we don't wanna damage the machine. So we're gonna leave this here for now and let's plug it in. Okay, so we are about to turn on the machine, but first we have to remove this giant chunky red thing. So all you need to do is just pull it over to the right and it's gonna pop off. So we are good there, and we can't move this until we lift up the foot. So let's go ahead and turn the baby on. Okay, we are going to turn this baby on and see what she's all about. Ooh! Little laser came on. Did you guys see that? It'll be back in a minute, I bet. Okay. Is it gonna make a noise? What's it gonna do? Oh, even the screen is green. So all that noise, that's it calibrating. So that's completely normal. It's booting up for the first time ever. So cool. Oh my, look at how amazing this big screen is. Full color. You know, you can see the modern mint shades in it. It's got green highlights everywhere. I love this. This is phenomenal. I cannot wait to start my first project on this. speaking of the screen, a really cool feature of this machine is the My Sewnet library. Included with your new sewing and embroidery machine is 3 free months access to the My Sewnet. It's a library which includes 4,000 plus embroidery designs that you can add to any project free for 3 months. This is so cool. So all you need to do is sign up for it. They give you all the directions on how to do it. And then you get 4,000 plus embroideries. That's amazing. I think I know what I'm doing for the next 3 months, embroidering. Speaking of embroidery, we are gonna open up the embroidery unit now, which comes in this giant box down here. So let's open it up. So the great thing about these embroidery units is they come in what I would almost say is like a suitcase. And so this is great for traveling and going to like sewing retreats and conventions. If I can get it out. Okay, we're almost there. Okay, wow, this thing is so big, right? Let's set it up here. So I'm gonna turn this on its side and open it up, and we're gonna check out what's inside. Woo! Okay, so the piece of foam here is protecting it for transportation, so you can get rid of this. You don't have to keep this piece of foam. And now you'll see this is our embroidery unit, and it comes with 2 hoops in the bottom. So we have 2 hoops here, and you'll see this nice strap here. This keeps the embroidery unit in place. And if you have one of these little bags inside, you can go ahead and toss this out as well. You know, just remember, do not eat, but it is environmentally friendly. So not a snack for your purse, okay? Don't put that in your purse as a snack. Okay, so we can go ahead and take this out. Let's remove the Velcro strips. Let's move this down. Okay, I'm gonna set this here very carefully. Oh, we have a little embroidery hoop hiding down here under it. So we got 3 embroidery hoops. We have the 360 by 260, we have the 120 by 120, and then we also have the 260 by 200. So these are great hoops to start out with, and obviously you can always add more to your collection later. Okay, so just for fun, I'm gonna go ahead and take off the bed and put the embroidery unit on. So under here, you can just pull that, and it's gonna pop towards you. Let's set that over here, and then let's go ahead and put the embroidery unit on. So we can just slide that onto here, and you gotta wait for the click. There we go, and it is on. So this is our beautiful Designer Epic 2 sewing machine with the embroidery unit on it. It is so beautiful, and I am so excited to start embroidering those 4,000 plus embroideries. I still can't get over that. So let's go ahead and open up the ribbon embroidery attachment and the programmable foot pedal. Okay, so I'm gonna open up the embroidery attachment, still sealed in plastic, so I have not opened this up at all. So I am so excited to open this up, if I can open it up. Okay, got it. So the top features on this, I wanna read this on the back. So it's the first attachment of its kind in the home embroidery machine market. So cool. 360-degree motorized rotation, holds up to 8 meters of ribbon. So cool. And it's easily adjusted to work with various ribbon widths. So we're just not limited to one ribbon width, which is great. Okay, are you ready to flip this lid? Let's do it. Okay, ribbon embroidery attachment. So we're gonna set that up here. Let's take off the black foam. Whoa, check this thing out. Looks like a spaceship. I think we're gonna take off to ribbon embroidery land. Okay, let's pull it out very delicately. Okay. Okay, so you can see here the ribbon is coming out of the bottom of it, and this is where it's gonna stitch it down, and then you can see the ribbon on the side of it. So I don't fully know how this works yet, but we're gonna do a full in-depth video on how it works. I am so excited to start ribbon embroidering things. I feel like my creative ideas and juices are just flowing right now. So I think I know what I'm doing tonight. Okay, so here we have the multi-function foot control, which I have never seen before for a home sewing machine. So this is so exciting. So we're gonna open this up and take a look at it. So what I want you to know about it is that it has three programmable switches, 5 programmable functions, separate needle up-down function, ergonomic design, rubber-based for stability, so that means on the very bottom of it so it doesn't move around. It's got rubber so it'll stick. And then it has an extra long 2.5 meter USB cable to suit various sewing positions. How exciting. Well, I'm very excited. Okay, so let's open this baby up. Okie dokie. Here we go, multi-function foot control. Gonna change your life. Woo! Wow, look how big it is. It's amazing. Ooh, it's heavy too. This is not gonna move on the ground. I wish all foot controls were like this actually. This is amazing. I wonder if we can buy these and put these on all of the other sewing machines. So let's see it. I think this is gonna be pretty awesome. So right, left, so we can program it onto what it's gonna do. Forwards, backwards, right, and left. So I think what's really cool about having all these functions in the foot is that you're not gonna have to touch the front of the sewing machine for certain functions. So you can do a stitch restart, you can do a presser foot up or a pivot, you can do a reverse, you can do a cut function or a fixed function. So normally we would be hitting a lot of these on the front of the sewing machine, but now with this new foot, we can really hold our project and position it properly and use our foot for all of these controls. So cool. Last thing I'm gonna show you is the laser guide. Hello, what? I think somebody loved sci-fi when they were designing this machine. I think so. So let's check it out. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the laser beam on. So there's a function where we can go ahead and move the laser beam for different guides when sewing. This is super amazing. So you can see that laser beam moving all the way over to the right. This is absolutely wild. So you can even adjust the brightness of the laser beam. So right now I'm gonna make it as high as it'll go. So it goes up to a 10 and it gets so bright. So right here's your laser guidance. This is gonna control right to left, and right below it is gonna control the brightness of the laser beam. Thanks so much today for watching the unboxing video of the Husqvarna Viking Designer Epic 2 sewing machine. I am so excited to start using this. I'm gonna have some more in-depth videos coming out on the machine itself, all the special features inside it, obviously like how to set up the multi-function foot control, and how to use the ribbon embroidery attachment. So the links for those will be down below in the video as they come out. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I'd love to know what you think about this brand new sewing machine. If you're in Chicago, come take a sewing class with me, or I would love to make you a custom garment because I'm a fashion designer. So that's kind of what I do. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at @SewAnastasia and Anastasia Chatzka. Also check me out on Facebook and Twitter and all those other fabulous social media sites. If you haven't been over to Patreon lately, hop on over to Patreon and check out all the cool ways you can help support Sew Anastasia. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you can get all the new videos when they come out every Thursday and Monday. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!